Hey friends, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can turn on battery saver in your Samsung phone or any Android phone. You need to go to your navigation bar notification panel, and here you can see an option of power saver. If you don't see their option in your notification bar, you need to slide move and click this plus option. By clicking this plus option, you can see all the options here like bedtime, screenshot, and here you will find it. You need to simply drag it, and by dropping it, you can set it on your navigation bar. Click done. Once you find your power saving, click power saving button. As you can see, my phone already enabled power saving. If you turned off, you simply need to turn on this and click done. So that was the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to Tech Thunder.